Hey friends, so welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm gonna share with you the Bundt cake. Is the second recipe. Like I said in my last video, I'll be sharing about 20 recipes of Bundt cake for the next 4 weeks. So it's gonna be 3 recipes per week. So this one is the second recipe I'll be sharing with you. This one is the cornmeal cake. This cake have a history in my life. I've been making this cake for long time. Everybody loves this cake. So for this cake, I'm gonna use the ingredients. All the list of the ingredients I will leave in the description box for you. And the first things here, we have to separate the egg yolk and egg whites. So when we finish that, we're gonna take a clean and dry bowl, big bowl, because this recipe I'm making a double recipe for this cake for this time, because I have a friend and she loved this cake. I decided to make her a big cake, so I just want to share in the same time, because if I make this cake at home, gonna be too much for my family. So I decided to make this cake for 8 friends. That's why I'm using a big tin, so we're gonna mix these eggs and sugar, the butter and the sugar until become cream and fluffy. And after, we add the egg yolks and lemon zest. You can use lemon zest, you can use orange zest, you can use I never tried with the orange with vanilla extracts, but you can, if you don't want to use any of this, you can't as well. So it's gonna be delicious anyway. So but I just love the flavor of lemon zest, so I always add the lemon zest or orange zest for this cake. We mix a little bit more for about just few seconds, just to incorporate all together. And after, we add the flour. I'm using the plain flour here, and the corn flour as well. And we add the milk. The quantities I'm gonna leave in the description box for you. So just, I'm not giving the quantities here, but you're gonna find it in the description box. And then when I mix very quick, I don't over mix flours, because if you do that, your cake they're gonna be like fluffy. And after, I add the baking powder as well, and I do just very quick mix. And I prefer to finish mix and incorporate all together with a spatula. When we finish that, we mix the egg whites as well, and we add for a cake, and we mix very gently, very gentle, just to incorporate the air. And after, we transfer to the tin. My oven was already on. I always make sure my oven is on before I start any recipe, because for my recipes take me about 5 to 10 minutes to make. So it's the time to my oven to get hot to a good temperature. So when I finish, I just put the cake in the oven. This cake, because it's the big tin, I believe this tin is about 10 inch. So I'm not sure, but I normally bake this tin for about 45 or 50 minutes at 180 degree. My oven is an electrical oven, so I always bake my cake in that temperature. So as you can see, this cake is very simple. I just left the big tin for her, because I want to give her a cake, just to a gift. And I just cut the small one that I made in 8 inch tin. So for this recipe, because I doubled this recipe, I made 2 cakes. So, but I'm gonna leave the recipe for only 1 cake in the description box. So if you want to double, you just have to double the recipes as I did for this video here. I really hope you enjoyed to watch this video. This one is a second recipe. I will share the third recipe in a few days. If you like, don't forget to subscribe and like, and let me know what recipe do you want me to watch me make. I'll be very happy to make it for you. Thank you for watching. Bye.